Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
This is Naye, your voice for today's headlines. It's Tuesday, January 6th. Here is what we are covering. The New York Times reports that drone warfare in Ukraine has evolved with the introduction of semi-autonomous drones like the Bumblebee, which can independently pursue and strike targets using artificial intelligence. These drones, developed with support from figures like Eric Schmidt, have been used extensively against Russian forces. The technology raises ethical concerns about autonomy in warfare, as both Ukrainian and Russian forces increasingly adopt AI-enhanced weapons in the ongoing conflict. The Field of Mars Cemetery in Lviv, Ukraine, holds the graves of Bigun's relatives and soldiers killed in recent conflicts. Despite the pain, Bigun finds motivation to continue his work, supplying frontline units with drone modules. Ukraine's military has shifted to drone warfare, countering Russian forces. Efforts to enhance drone capabilities include swarm technology and visual navigation systems, with companies like Sign Engineering and Vermeer contributing to these advancements. The New York Times reports that Ukraine's use of AI-enhanced drones, like the Bumblebee, has significantly impacted warfare. These drones, resistant to jamming and capable of autonomous target recognition, are part of a broader experimental fleet. Despite some limitations, such as lacking night cameras, they are valued for their advanced software and ability to operate remotely. The rapid evolution of such technology highlights the urgent need for Western militaries to adapt to new warfare dynamics. In 2024, a Stanford speaker described entering drone manufacturing after witnessing Russian tanks destroy civilian areas in Ukraine. His involvement in the war has been appreciated by Ukrainians, as his drones enhance safety and combat effectiveness. He frames his move into AI arms as humanitarian, suggesting AI weapons could prevent land invasions. This echoes Richard Gatling's belief that his gun could reduce war's horrors, though history proved him wrong. Drone warfare raises ethical issues, unlike facial recognition. Facial recognition technology is increasingly used by law enforcement, raising privacy concerns. Algorithms can identify individuals by analyzing facial features, often using images scraped from the internet. Technologist Adam Harvey, known for his early work on anti-surveillance designs like CV Dazzle, highlights the evolving nature of these systems. While face paint is now ineffective, simple methods like wearing a face mask remain useful against facial recognition. Other strategies include using sunglasses, hats, and infrared blocking glasses. The anti-surveillance fashion market is growing, with products designed to obscure biometric data. Community discussions emphasize the importance of privacy and the potential impact of widespread surveillance. Harvey stresses the power dynamics involved in surveillance, advocating for individual agency and privacy rights. After facial recognition, we turn to lidar. Hesai Technology, a Shanghai-based company, specializes in developing and manufacturing lidar sensors for 3D perception, crucial for advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, autonomous mobility, and robotics. In 2025, Hesai exceeded 2 million deliveries and plans to expand production to over 4 million units in 2026. The company integrates research and development with in-house manufacturing, supplying sensors to automotive and robotics sectors globally. Hesai's lidar technology significantly reduces traffic accidents and enhances sensor robustness. The company is also advancing solid-state lidar, reducing costs and enabling software-defined features. Hesai's JT series mini lidars are widely adopted in robotics and industrial sectors. At CES 2026, Hesai will present its next-gen L3 automotive lidar suite, demonstrating its role in advancing autonomy. From lidar, we move to about religious communities in the United States are facing a surge of AI-generated deepfakes impersonating pastors, spreading false messages and soliciting donations. Father Mike Schmitz, a Catholic priest, warned his YouTube followers about these scams, showcasing examples where AI versions of himself made outlandish claims. Cybersecurity expert Rachel Toback notes that pastors have become popular targets for AI scams due to their significant online presence. Scammers exploit the familiarity of pastors' voices and appearances, using AI to create convincing impersonations that deceive congregants into transferring funds. This issue is widespread, with incidents reported in Alabama, New York, Florida, and even internationally in the Philippines. The rise of AI-generated content has also led to viral videos of fictitious pastors delivering unexpected sermons, further complicating the landscape. These videos often gain traction on platforms like TikTok, where creators can monetize views. While some churches are experimenting with AI for religious purposes, concerns about mental health impacts and the potential for AI to reinforce delusions persist. Father Schmitz, reflecting on AI's portrayal in media, expressed skepticism about its benefits, fearing it might lead to a loss of human capabilities. The proliferation of AI in religious contexts raises questions about authenticity and the ethical use of technology in faith communities. Beyond about, we see European Commission emerging. Ofcom has contacted Elon Musk's company xAI over concerns that its AI tool, Grok, can create sexualized images of children and undress women without consent. The BBC found instances on the social media platform X where users asked Grok to alter images, making women appear in bikinis or sexual situations. X has not commented, but warned users against generating illegal content. The European Commission and authorities in France, Malaysia, and India are investigating. The UK's Internet Watch Foundation received reports but found no images crossing the legal threshold for child sexual abuse. Critics, including Dame Cheon Wura, argue the Online Safety Act is inadequate. The European Commission emphasized the illegality of such content and its commitment to enforcing digital platform rules. While European Commission matters, lead quality also plays a role. HubSpot identifies several AI visibility tools that enhance lead quality by improving data analysis and targeting capabilities. These tools leverage machine learning to refine customer insights, allowing businesses to focus on high-potential leads. By integrating AI into marketing strategies, companies can automate data collection and analysis, leading to more accurate predictions of customer behavior. This results in more effective targeting and personalized marketing efforts. The tools discussed include AI-driven platforms that offer real-time analytics and predictive modeling, enabling marketers to adjust their strategies dynamically. Additionally, these tools help in segmenting audiences based on behavior patterns, ensuring that marketing messages reach the right people at the right time. By utilizing these AI tools, businesses can increase conversion rates and optimize their marketing efforts, ultimately leading to improved lead quality and business growth. Lead quality connects to influencer. Influencer marketing has become a key component of modern marketing strategies, moving beyond experimental phases. Success in this field depends on strategic discipline rather than influencer follower count. Effective campaigns align business goals with audience insights and creator authenticity. Influencers are categorized into tiers: nano, micro, macro, and mega, each serving different purposes based on reach and engagement. Building a shortlist of suitable creators involves both qualitative and quantitative evaluations. Budgeting should follow audience behavior, and planning should involve creators early to ensure authentic content. Campaigns require active management and performance measurement to optimize results. Risk management and compliance are crucial, with clear disclosure practices and response plans in place to handle potential issues professionally. Influencer sets the stage for skills. Rebecca Weinstein discusses the evolving role of public relations in the era of AI, emphasizing the importance of adaptability and cross-disciplinary skills. While AI reshapes workflows, the core skills of problem-solving and client counseling remain irreplaceable. Industry leaders like Matt Grok and Ephraim Cohen highlight the need for strategic use of AI, focusing on real solutions rather than experimentation. John Galuli stresses the importance of curiosity and problem-solving, noting that these skills have been constant over the past decade. E.J. Kim points out that humans drive AI, not the other way around. Organizations investing in people who can navigate the intersection of technology and strategy are achieving better results, with communications leaders adopting technology intentionally to create impact.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.